Now today we are going to solve the index problem of the NCERT, that is chapter haloalkane and haloarenes. So student, you should know that is what chapter we are going to start, that is haloalkanes and haloarenes. So this is the chapter number 12, student. This is chapter number not chapter number 10, class 12, class 12 chemistry. So student, let us do write down what the question is there. Write the structure of the following compounds. We have to write the structure of the following compound. So how can you write the structure of following compound? Let us see what is the compound is there, student. Question number 2 chloro 3 methyl pentane. So first of all, what we do is student is step number 1. Write longest longest hydrocarbon chain. Okay, hydrocarbon chain. Okay, hydrocarbon chain. So first of all, you see student, now what is there? Pentane is there. So meth, eth, prop, but, pent is there. And after this, student, what we have to do? We have to put the substitute. Okay, what are there? So what they are saying, 2 chloro on the, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 is there, student. On the second position there is chloro is there. 2 chloro, on third position methyl is there. Here is what is there, student? CH3. So 2 chloro 3 methyl pentane. So everywhere what are there, student? Single bond is there. Now we have to finish the valency of carbon 4. So here single bond is there, means CH3 will come. So CH3, 3 hydrogen, 1 single bond, that is 4. Here is CH2 and here will be, that is CH. So what will be there, you will be able to find, that is valency 1 2 3 4, that is also, here is also CH and here is again CH3. So what is the formula if you are going, student? Here is the 2 chloro, okay, that is 3 methyl, 2 chloro 3 methyl, and what next will come, student? Word root, that is word root is pent and single bond is there, pentane. Now let us move the second one, 1 chloro 4 ethyl cyclohexane. Okay, so 1 chloro 4 ethyl cyclohexane. So the student, firstly see 1 chloro, okay, then say they are saying 4 ethyl, 1 chloro 4 ethyl and cyclohexane is there, student. Cyclohexane, you can read out again, 1 chloro 4 ethyl cyclohexane. So student, first of all, hydrocarbon is what is there, hexane, and that is cyclic. So that is meth, right? That is eth, prop, but, pent and hex. So that is the an is there, means single bond is there, student. All places, that is the single bond is there, right? Now they are in 1 chloro. So suppose first position we are putting the chlorine, and if it is the first, then second, then third and fourth. On fourth position, what is there, student? Ethyl, C2H5, right? Now student, what we have to do, we have to balance the valency of the this hydrocarbon. So here is 1 2 3, so here should be H, here is 1 2, so here will be CH2, this position CH2, here is H, this is also CH2 and this is also CH2. So this will be 2 to 4, or this structure can also be drawn, student. Here is single bond you can put, this is bond line formula, and on the top you put, that is Cl, and on the bottom it will be, that is C2H5, that is 1 chloro, here is 1 2 3 4, 1 chloro 4 ethyl, okay, 1 chloro, now 4 ethyl cyclohexane. This is the correct answer, student. 1 chloro 4 ethyl cyclohexane. Now let us move the third one, student. What is there? 4 tertiary butyl 3 idopentane. Okay, so let us write down, student. Pentane is there, no cyclic compound. So first of 4 tertiary butyl. Okay, write down the question, student. So third one, what they are saying, student? 4, that is tertiary butyl, what is there, student? 3 ido, and then next one, see, 3 idoheptane, 3 idoheptane is there, student. 3 idoheptane, heptane. Up dear student, means that is the longest chain we have to select. So that is heptane is there. Heptane means 7 carbon. So firstly you draw because single, no cyclic compound means straight chain, meth, eth, pro, but, pent, hex, heptane. Right, on the you put the position, student. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So what they are saying, fourth position tertiary butyl is there. So here will be the butyl, tertiary butyl. So we can put the butyl group here, student, that is CH3. This is CH3 and this is CH3. And third position ido. So here will be what, student, here you put, that is ido. Okay, now student, heptane in is there, means everywhere the single bond will be there, student, single bond everywhere. So this is the structure. Now valency, you can manage the 4 bond of the carbon. So CH3, CH2, CH. Okay, student, here will be 1 2 3. So here is also H, here is CH2. Okay, and here is CH2 and this is CH3. So what will be the, that is on the fourth position tertiary butyl group is the meth, eth, pro, but. The fourth tertiary, on fourth position tertiary butyl, on third position ido, and that is heptane. So this is our required answer. Now let us move for fourth, student. What is fourth is given for this 1,4 bromo but 2 in. Okay, so fourth number, what they are saying is, student, fourth number they are saying that is 1,4 dibromo, 1,4 dibromo, dibromo, and what was there, but 2 in. Okay, we can match with the option 1,4 dibromo but 2 in, 1,4 dibromo but 2 in. So but is there, student, on second position in is there. Okay, so firstly but is there, longest carbon, meth, eth, pro, but, and that is 2 position in is there, double bond is there. Okay, and then what is 1, suppose is numbering 1 2 3 4. So on fourth position, what is there, student, Br is there, first position 1 and fourth position also Br. So now you balance the valency, match the valency of carbon 4. So one bond here and here is, if you see, 1 2 3. So CH2, here is 1 2, here is hydrogen, here is also hydrogen, here is CH2. So this is one position, and fourth position, what is there, bromo. So 1,4 dibromo, then meth, eth, pro, but, and on second position but 2 in. So this is our answer. Now let us move, student, fifth position. What is the fifth is there? So what is the fifth number question, student? If you see fifth, 1 bromo 4 secondary butyl, 1 bromo 4 secondary butyl 2 methyl benzene. Okay, so let us solve this problem also together, student. Here is, they are saying 1 bromo, this is fifth number, student, 1 bromo 4 secondary, okay, butyl, 4 secondary butyl. What is there, student? Okay, it is taking time, student. So what they have, 1 bromo 4 secondary butyl 2 methyl benzene. Okay, so here you come out, student, butyl. Okay, so 4 secondary butyl and then 2 methyl, what was there, student, benzene. Okay, so let us solve, student. So bromo secondary butyl 2 methyl benzene. So word root is, what is there, student, that is benzene is there. Now student, alphabetically what are there, on first position Br is there. Okay, so this is first, second, third, fourth, 5 and 6, and second position, that is methyl group is there, 1 bromo 2 methyl and 4 secondary butyl. The fourth position, what is there, 2 degree butyl is there. 2 degree butyl means what, CH3, then it will be coming CH and then CH2, CH3. So this is this alpha carbon attached to 2 other carbons, so 2 secondary butyl. So this is what, student, for 1 bromo, okay, 1 bromo 4 secondary butyl, because but will come first, student, then methyl. So 1 bromo 4 secondary butyl 2 methyl benzene. So this is our all about the answers, student. Thank you so much for watching, students.